the lock picking kit, and I'll be picking the Lockwood Assa Abloy 334 Marine 45. Now I will open it with the keys to show that it works.
No. Trust it slow. There you go.
I will be using the Tron and the taller cooler touch wrench.
What is that? What is that tension wrench thickness?
50,000.
50 thousandths.
50,000.
Yep, that's how thick it is. Alright, good job.
One, two, three, four.
Ooh, yeah, keep going. What was that?
It's either
Counter rotation.
that's an overset because
But what was it doing though?
I was doing counter rotation.
So if it's doing counter rotation, what were you in?
I was in a faucet.
Good job. Right, try to pick 5 back there just to see, just in case.
5 is springy.
Okay. You're set. Good job though.
One and two.
Don't keep.
I feel like I'm already in another set. One, two, three.
You're getting something there. Very good. Nice and gentle. That was nice. So what? Tell us what happened.
I think I got counter rotation.
Well, you think? That's like go
That was
back.
either 3 or 4, which I know 3 won't give you counter rotation.
Well, you know the stock pretty well then, huh?
Two. Got more rotation. 3.
Nice. Alright, you just dropped into a what?
Faucet.
Good job.
No.
So now what are you looking for?
The
Count.
the counter rotation.
Counter rotation. There it is. There it is. Now keep going forward. You may have overset. Come back to 1. Oh, no, you're in a false set.
Ooh.
Easy, easy, easy.
I think I'm overset now.
No, wait, come on back, just check, just in case.
That's springy.
Are you sure something's not moving it back?
Kind of.
Come back with one. Come back to get one. It might be hiding.
What? It feels kind of like hard and springy at the same time.
What about the other one?
Other one's just springy.
Okay.
Would that be in the faucet?
What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, you must have that. Just let me know.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think that was actually 4. Wait.
Just come back and repeat it again. Remember? We go from front to back, front to back.
1, 2, 3. Yep, I'm gonna flush it. One, 2.
You can put some movements.
I'm not even already being a full set because that was already 2 clicks.
Faucet or overset?
Wait, no, overset. I don't get overset and full set mixed up because you just add, if you take away the false and then you add the over, then it would be overset.
Yeah. I think I'd rather be in a faucet though.
Yeah. And then let's get here to 4.
Is it counting?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta talk to us, let us know. Everybody needs to know what's going on. I know, but everybody watching you doesn't.
Let's go back to 1, 2, rotation,
Alright, go. Be careful.
3,
What's happening? What was happening on 3? Was it counter?
I went that. Which, yeah. Four. That was 2.
Come back, start
Plus
again.
everything is.
Spring.
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm not gonna ask you what's going on. You have to tell them, okay? People watching you, what are you doing? You're teaching
1.
people.
One.
Speak up.
Gotta click out of 2. Got a very small click out of 3.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you right now that you just skipped like 2 pins.
One.
Okay, so you might want to restart it. Restart. Now remember, baby movements on the way in. Okay? So you get every pin.
So just go like
You just went.
1,
You went from
2,
1 to.
3, 4, 5.
I'm saying you went to 1, 2, and then you went right to 4. So you skipped pin 3. I think you went right to 5. You're doing good though.
1, 2. 3. 4.
Just do it.
Oh. I think I was actually going a little bit too small. 4.
What is happening? Oh my God! Yes.
And now I just need to gut it.
All right. Oh, that's right. Okay. Keep your head out of frame and just keep that there. Okay. There you go. That's awesome.
Wow. I never really thought I would get it open. But like just on pin 4, got counter rotation, and then popped it right open. I'm so glad about myself. Okay, now I just put these back. Wow.
I was not expecting that.
I never even thought that I would get it open on just pin 4.
Okay, remember to keep your head out of the camera, okay?
Okay.
And we're gonna do this together.
But you're going to do the follower.
Yep, I get to help you with the follower and just a few small things, but this remember to keep your head out of frame. Working. Okay, go ahead and take your. Go ahead. I'm gonna let you do most of the work here.
Okay. Wait.
Other way. Keep that in frame.
Now, screwdriver, stick that right inside there. Wait.
Keep it in frame.
Is that in frame?
I'll put those mats there just in case, yeah.
What? Oh yeah. Do I screw this way to tighten it? Or do I screw this way to unscrew?
Lefty. No, other way. Yep. You want to hold on to the lock. There you go. No, here, okay. Oh, you center it. You have to center up. There you go. Did you here? Let me get it started.
Okay. It's just really hard to just get it even a little bit done.
Oh, maybe I told you wrong. I'm sorry. Yep. go this way.
Oh, and then the other way.
Hold on to the. No, you don't need one hand up there. There you go. Okay, I think you may have. Yeah, you got it. Pull it up.
Oh.
Are you in frame? I just put that down.
Oh, that is a very small screw. I have never ever saw a screw like that in my life. Those things out of there.
Very nice.
That is weird. Ah, what just happened?
What?
Something just fell out of here, like from right there. Something fell. It fell from right there.
Huh. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about this lock. I'm sorry. Yeah, take that off. Good.
This is very weird.
It is a very weird lock. Okay. I brought this just in case, so we have those 2 small screws. Why don't you go put it down?
What?
Hold on to it. Good job with those small screws.
No, all the way up. I could just screw the rest with my. No, that's gonna take forever. Put that right there.
Already keep your head out of frame. You're doing good.
Screw the other way. Yep, this way.
Now remember, we only need to gut it for the video, okay? But still, you're gonna help me put it back together, okay?
Like at the end of the video. It actually is fun putting it back together while reassembling it.
Okay, so you're gonna take that plate off.
Is this like the collar?
Yeah, it's pretty neat, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
so we need to put the follower through that. Let's find a follower and
Okay,
size it
this
up.
is the weirdest lock I've ever
put that down.
gotten.
Try to size up one of these with that.
Too thin.
Too thin? Good eye.
Just right.
Is that good? Guess that would work on it.
Or shall we do this one?
That would.
Put that right.
That would also
Work. I said that would be too thin.
No, I think that would work.
Both of those would work.
Let me see. They're both the same size. Okay. So I get to work the follower, right? Alright, so which way are our key pins?
Should I turn it this way?
Nope. I mean, they're facing that way and our drivers are this way, right?
So we should turn it this way.
No, we keep it the way it is. And what I'm gonna do is just drive it up for you. I need you to get this core. Wait, don't pull yet. I'm gonna push it.
No, you just push it right through my hand.
Oh, grab it. You have to grab it. There you go. Good man.
Last time on the Avis 80 Ti, we kept on messing up when we were
Keep your head up.
doing it.
Yeah.
Because I kept on pushing it, like pulling it.
Alright, we have to get this open though.
Okay.
So we can go ahead and put the key back in.
What are those two things?
Oh, there's nothing in there. Keys. Be careful putting them in. It's nice and slow. It might be. Oh. Alright, don't move. That was a bad idea. No. Alright, just put.
Don't
Don't worry about it. Just put them back. And really, I don't think you have to gut it. You just needed to gut and reassemble the last one. We're just showing what's inside of it to prove that it's fully pinned up. Oh, it's only 5 in there. Okay. Here, I'll hold this.
Okay.
You take that.
And
We're in the camera's way here. Hold on. Keep it.
what?
Hold on. Okay, right there. No, yeah, that's number. What number?
Number 4?
Nope.
5.
Yep. So make sure it goes in number 5 spot. Wrong one.
Okay.
There's a number 6 in here, so. Yep, and take number 4 out.
So hard.
I'm trying to adjust it. So what belt lock is this?
A blue belt. So I'd have to do this and then.
We already did this.
Wait.
I'm sorry, right here. You wanted to stump it out because it's the last pin?
Yeah.
Here, you do it. I want you to do as much as you possibly can. Alright. Alright, let's put that in that spot there. Okay, so that. Okay, so now we have to take the what out?
Would we have to take the key out?
No, that's fine. What else do we have to do?
Wait, we have to take the driver pins out.
Driver pins.
And the
okay. So let's do it.
springs.
Let's get the driver pins. I'm allowed to work the follower. You be ready to get on top of them and hold them down. Are we in frame? Yep. Hold it down. No, barely let go. Hold on. Hold it. There you go. Perfect. Oh, that jumped. What is that?
That's a spool.
A spool. Good job. Put it under number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Just put it under number 1. That's yeah. Don't let it jump this time. You have a hold of it. I'm gonna bring it back to follower. Just slowly raise up. There you go. Grab it out.
This is a spool too.
It's a spool too. Over all those false sets you kept getting into?
Is it because these spools?
Yeah.
There's like a million of these things.
I wouldn't say a million. I'm only count 3 so far.
Yeah, but like so far, like all of them are spools.
Yeah.
Another spool. Wow.
Alright, we got one more to go. What do you think it's going to be?
Wait. I feel like. Wait, what's the other one called? Circulation?
Serrated spins, yeah. Serrations, yeah.
Oh,
What is it?
it's a spool.
It's a spool.
Every single one is a spool.
Everyone's a spool. Alright, so you go ahead and you can just...
Shake
No.
Wait.
You want to do it over the mat. Now turn it upside down.
What is this?
For springs. No. Just turn it this way. No, turn it that way. Yep, like you're going to tip it over. All the way over. There you go. Just kind of tap them. Tap on the top of it. You want to hold it correctly.
Oh, is that all of them?
Is that 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep.
Okay, so let's put that down. Let's wrap this video up because we're kind of running a little. Okay. So we have the core here. All this good stuff.
Wait, I'm already done?
Yeah.
Wow, that was actually quick.
We just have to do a close-up on everything. One of your springs just flew up there.
Oh.
Right there. Okay. Alright, so be still while I do a close-up.
This. I never really thought I would get it open in that amount of time right after I reset it.
That's good. Alright, can you hold up the lock and tell us what you picked?
I just picked the Lockwood Assa Abloy 334M45, and I also just gutted it.
Tell us who you are.
I am the LockPickingKid.
Tell everybody goodbye.
And bye.